Hi, this is Tim Kuhl with Smart Church Solutions. There are basically 4 types of maintenance that we run into in a church. The first one is corrective maintenance. It's your break fix kind of maintenance. It's the things that we just will never ever run out of. It's the light bulb that needs changed. It's the commode that is overflowing. It's the painting that's got to be done. These are all corrective maintenance. Means that think of it like a break fix. Something's broken, something's not functioning as it's intended, now it needs to be fixed. The second type is preventive maintenance. And for most churches, they're used to doing preventive maintenance. Think about air conditioning filters. Think about needing to check your elevators or your first aid kits or your backflow preventers. These are things that you do to prevent future things from happening. So if you're changing your filters on a regular basis, you're going to have a better running HVAC system, and you're probably going to extend the life of it. The third type of maintenance that most churches run into, and this is the kind of maintenance that you never ever want to have, and it's deferred maintenance. And deferred maintenance is just what it means. You have deferred maintaining your building. You have put off what should have been done yesterday and today. You've put it off to tomorrow, and that kind of maintenance is really, really bad. Matter of fact, our research has shown that most churches will average $25 to $35 per square foot just in deferred maintenance. So take your square footage, multiply it by $25 or $35 a square foot. That's probably how much deferred maintenance you have already in your building. So what is the fourth kind of maintenance? The fourth kind of maintenance is something that's relatively new to the church world. It's referred to as predictive maintenance, predicting that something's going to happen. But think about this. Think about having a sensor in your HVAC units that notice when something starts wobbling or shaking and it's creating vibration, which is not good for your HVAC system. Well, what if you were alerted about that and you could go do something about it before it broke? If you wait, then you're into corrective maintenance, and many times that corrective maintenance can be significantly more expensive. So think about that. Think about the future of where the industry is going as a whole. We believe that predictive maintenance will be the next step in helping churches be better stewards of their facilities.